everybody. The claps need to be louder. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Malad Walkathon, we need to see it. Come on, everybody. Our second runner-up, 10516, Nilima. Can we have a big shout out? Hey, 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 everybody. Okay, DJ, are we ready with the song? DJ, are we ready with the song? Yes? But I can't hear you, I can't hear you. Okay, everybody's going to do this with me. Sabhi ko mujhe copy paste karna hai. Okay, everybody's going to do this with me. Yes, DJ, can we go? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's make some noise. 11625 10327 ऊपर आ जाए, स्टेज के ऊपर आ जाए.
First prize.
The winner overall goes to Isha Pawar, 10218.
Now we gonna get down.
Our second runner-up, bib number 10516 Nilima Dehadre, 10133 Kishori Kudecha, 10375 Hema. Come on, everyone. And our winner, here.
Now we gonna get down.
Security, please allow the winners to come in. Security guard, आप winners को allow करें. Winners जिसका नाम announce हो रहा है उनको allow करें. Thank you, Kinari.
Mumbai Police, the huge support we have got from them. I think 150 से ज़्यादा है.
3K mail.
हैं. First number, yeah, winner.
A big shout out for all the Pacers, everyone. Pacers, make some noise. The Nirmal Bang, Malad Walkathon. Pacers, please hold on. Winners, please come forward.
Winners, आप 3 winners को please prizes देते हुए. You can see the beautifully dressed women for the sari walk in the Indian.
Tell us
Next set of
what
categories,
behind
please
Malad
come.
Walkathons. It's the 6th edition.
Bib number 30184.
What prompted you to start it?
30814. Sorry.
See, the event was started with a very small concept of health.
812.
It has now turned into a community, and from community it has gone to the people at large of all caste, creed, age, and even the most important, all the type of people have joined this, and they are running for health and for their community all together, their neighborhood, and even for the well-being of the society now. So it's been a fabulous start, and the date started was 6 years back, और ये इवेंट छक्के पे छक्का मार रहा है और आगे भी मारता रहेगा.
Right, and what does fitness mean to you in 2025?
Fitness means, of course, your energy levels, your fitness level, and your mental level, the most important. And according to me, for fitness point of view, Dr. Murarka will be saying much better than me what I can say. Sir.
Please come
Yes.
behind.
Anil ji, your thoughts?
Very simple. स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो. That is the thought behind it. Talking about Malad Walkathon, the 6th edition today.
814 is first.
I would say one man army is Dr. Siddharth Haritwar. It is his dream project. The way he started and the way it has really grown up. I am guaranteeing you, in the years to come, ये ग्राउंड भी बहुत छोटा पड़ेगा. There should be a target audience of about 50,000 plus in the next 2 or 3 years from now.
30050 31.2.
As the Prime Minister of India says,
30154
Swasth Bharat, Mast Bharat. And that's a true fact. We all need to energize synchronize, create an awareness what health is more. See, health is wealth. Let's be honest. आज आप देख रहे हैं
सारी वॉक वाले
all these Bollywood faces.
उसको प्रोजेक्ट करने
आज जो माहौल चल रहा है
संजीव जी
totality वो ये है कि health conscious होना बहुत जरूरी हो गया. If you are healthy, you are wealthy. It's like that. Let's take a pledge to move forward in the same manner.
And Seema Goyal will also present the award.
Be a part of the marathon.
And Shreya also please come on the
It's not by
dais. No, Shreya
I
will
have
come.
chosen myself. They have chosen me to be a part of it. It's just by default. But yeah, it's always a pleasure being here. And the way it's happening, it's not about a day. This day is a remembrance that yeah, we need to be fit 365 days of the year.
बेटी का मैंने बोला था.
Shyam ji, happy to have you here. What do you have to say about the walkathon? What do you have to say to people to stay fit in 2025?
काम खुद चलता है
First thing,
क्या? तू खुद चलता है क्या?
अरे I seriously I'm telling you I walk a lot क्योंकि यहाँ पे अपने जो डायरेक्टर साहब हैं महेश भट्ट अभी असरानी साहब तो चले गए, तो उनका ये कहना है इवन बच्चन साहब का भी कि अगर आप बहुत डिप्रेस्ड हो, आप बहुत टेंशन में हो, तो सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है आप वॉक करो. आप कहीं मत देखो, यहाँ मत देखो, वहाँ मत देखो, जस्ट वॉक अ लॉट. और ये है वॉकेथॉन 6.0 मतलब सुपर 6 बैठा है ये, इज अ सिक्सर. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसके बहुत सारी और आगे 6 to 6 बहुत ज़्यादा है. एंड एवरीवन इज वेरी हैप्पी. Staying fit physically and mentally is very important. Okay, तो for the mental fitness आपको physical fitness भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I am just saying this कि 3 किलोमीटर है, 15 किलोमीटर है, 10 किलोमीटर है, इन सारी है, सारी विनर्स है, तो इट इज सो गुड. एक यहाँ पे जो एक मैं देख रहा हूँ, इट्स अ वेरी एंथुसियाज्म माहौल पूरा है. मेरी कल रात को शूट नहीं होती तो मैं खुद भी दौड़ता 10 किलोमीटर तक. So it's a great event organized by डॉक्टर मुरारका अग्रवाल जी. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे और इवेंट्स आए, लोगों में इस तरह से जो है एक और नई चीज़ हो कि लोग इस तरह से कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें, नॉट ओनली जिमिंग, वॉकिंग, एंड दिस थिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो मेरे लिए आप देख रहे, वैसे मैं इसलिए मैं लॉन्ग शॉट में आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. So this is good thing. और just to keep fresh from inner side and outside is very important. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि बहुत सारे 6, 7, 8 आगे बढ़ता जाइए. एंड सुपर ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. और जो कंटेस्टेंट हारे वो बिल्कुल टेंशन ना ले, अगला और आने वाला है.
हारने की बात ही नहीं है.
हारने की बात ही नहीं है.
Being a part of it.
Just being part of this is very important. बस. और ये एक और
Okay,
एक
now
चीज़
we're
है,
coming.
सब लोग सेल्फी खींचे और
To the
अपने
3
इंस्टा पे डाल
kilometer
दें
walk
ताकि
female.
अगली बार और लोग आए. एंड हर कोई, क्योंकि आजकल
10
वही
to
सोशल
25
मीडिया का ज़माना है, तो एवरीवन
We have our winner.
एंड आई मीन
Grishma Hande, 33109.
अराउंड अबाउट 15,000 कुछ लोग होंगे यहाँ पे.
Our winner from 10 to 25 years.
और ज़्यादा अगली बार.
Winner
And all the very
Grishma
best,
Hande, 33109.
What do you have to say about
From 26 to 39 years. 3 cheers for
I'm
Grishma
very
Hande.
happy to be
Everybody,
part
come
of
on,
this
everyone.
marathon because I myself into fitness a lot.
And an age.
So I always like people who encourage all these kind of
She's
activities.
here wearing
And
a
India,
beautiful
the health thing is
saree.
rising. Like every day today, people are getting
Winning
aware of
out.
the fitness. I'm very happy
The
to see
3
that.
kilometer sari walk.
parting word from you?
Come on, everybody, a big shout out.
There were multiple things out here. I would say the best one, you could just zoom your camera to the other side, that sari walk. That was enterprising. The homemakers are the real change makers. That's a belief. And that's what we have to acknowledge to the utmost. Just zoom your camera to the other side, you'll see all the beautiful females out there for the sari walk.
26 to 39 years.
कर लो उधर साले.
Second runner-up, Chetna Palgar, 33058. 33058.
Gate team on the dais.
First runner-up, Swati Golden.